class, I wanted to go through week 4's cover letter assignment directions with you. So for week 4, you'll be writing a cover letter, and the idea is that you are going to write a piece that is at least 350 words, and that it can be either for your dream job, a promotion within your current company, or a potential job that you might be interested in. So, first thing I want you to do is make sure you review the sample cover letter and the guidelines for formatting cover letters in the Center for Writing Excellence. We'll let that pop open so you can take a peek here. Okay, so writing a cover letter, it gives you suggestions on how to make a header, the salutation, in a regular letter you might say, "Dear so-and-so," the body of the letter, and the closing. So make sure you peek at each of those because it'll help you take a look at those specific parts. So the header is where you include your address and the address of the prospective employer, as well as the date. The salutation is how you address the employer. Okay, we have the body, and there's a lot more specifics here. You can look through the different parts, the different paragraphs, and what you want in those paragraphs, and then the closing that you're going to have. Okay, and then it's also important to take a look at the sample cover letter, because that can help you see what it looks like in whole. So I'm going to pop that open for you, and you can see that it shows you spacing, what that spacing looks like, and how you line stuff up. So make sure you take a peek at that. Okay, so to go back to the assignment directions, okay, as in all assignments, you should read through the entire set of directions carefully before attempting anything. Okay, but it has some questions for you to consider, which will help you create the cover letter. Okay, and then I also want you to take a look at the grading guide. The grading guide, any grading guide for any class, is going to help you determine what your instructor is going to be prioritizing in terms of your grade. So take a look. There's ideas about the content and voice. We want it to be professional and respectful, and for it to look professional. Okay, we want you to make sure you follow all of the assignment expectations and that it's putting your best foot forward, that it's readable, meaning free from errors. So again, make sure you read through all the assignment directions, and if you have any questions, reach out either in the course questions thread or in the private messages. Thanks so much.